If you want to make a box plot inside of R, you need quantitative data. So let's go over here to empty cars and let's take a look at it. Now, if you notice, this is just a data frame. We've got gear, we've got horsepower, HP right there. So let's go ahead and take that horsepower using the $sign to reach inside of the data frame, and let's make it horizontal to just view it. We should see things like 110, 110, 93. And there it is. That is the same vector, just horizontal. Now, to make this into a box plot, we can just take this information right here and type out box plot. There's our autocomplete, always helpful. We're going to put inside of this parentheses the vector of data we're using, and boom, we've got the box plot right behind me right here. There's the box plot. You can see the one really high observation. Now, we've got the same options we did with the histogram, where we can go here to col, and that stands for color. You can type things like yellow. And now we take a look at our box plot, and what do we have? We have a yellow box plot. There's a lot more options to take control of your box plot, but this is the basics of making a box plot inside of R.